Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery application on this device. So first we should find the gallery application first. In my case it's here. Now just click here to the camera, and for example you want to hide these two photos, so select them. After that click here to the more icon and click here to move to secure folder. Now we should just read here all the descriptions, click to continue again. Now we just will create the secure folder here. So wait a couple of seconds. So we should wait a little bit here. Okay, after that just here enter the like some protections like the pattern, pin code, password, fingerprint. For example, I'll go with the pattern. Just draw your pattern, click continue again, draw the pattern. And now we just created the secure folder, and as can you see, these items they are moved to the secure folder. And after that, just if you wanna find them, these two photos, you should go here into the settings application and then click here. Just tap to the lock screen biometrics and security. And somewhere here you will find the secured folder section. Click here and no, we should find this secure folder somewhere here. Oh, okay, it's here in the apps menu. You can also add to this secure folder. You can add it to your home screen if you want. So just click here, and now we can go here to the gallery, and here you can see there's two photos which we moved before. If you want to just turn them back to the photo to the gallery, you should select them, click here to move, and tap to the move out of the secure folder. Wait a second, and now when we'll go back into the gallery, we can see them here again in our camera application, in our gallery application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.